Are all women evil? That's a hotly contested subject right now. And in fact, that's like, got videos on this subject stamped back years. You know, A-waltz, nay-waltz, all this stuff. Are women evil? Are all women evil? Are all women evil? Well, I mean, if you're going to have a conversation like this, words mean everything. Language is everything. Are all women evil? 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 Are all